My previous school was a project-based learning school, especially when it came to science and social studies. So I was definitely looking for a free website that would provide kids with science and social studies games and information. Um, Part of what we've always used in project-based learning at my school is BrainPop. And I love BrainPop, but it does cost money. And so I was looking for something similar to BrainPop, which is where I found Make Me Genius, which is a free website. Um, and you don't even have to create an account. Kids can just go straight to the website. Um, there are lots of different subject lessons. You can click on a particular topic. They also have tests and quizzes. So, for example, if you were doing a unit on ecosystems, you can have the kiddos take a little exam, or you can use these little tests as formative assessments or even a summative assessment. They have cool facts for kids. Another cool thing they have are these educational PowerPoints where you can find already created PowerPoints to teach a concept about a certain topic. So, for example, if you're doing a unit on energy, you can click here and a already pre-created PowerPoint will pop up, which can save educators lots of time. They can also be projected to be shown online. You can also go to the home page and you can go and specifically select your grade. I would select grade 2, and then it will give me more specific concepts that grade 2 focuses on. So here's some videos on matter, types of rocks, and such. And so this would be just a great resource for kids to use as part of their research, just to learn a little bit more about a subject, and even for giving assessments. And this would fulfill the ISTE standards 3.3E and 3.3C.